We have a clogged sink over here, and I'm gonna show you how to fix it. Actually, it's a twin tub. The water doesn't go down the drain because probably there is already an accumulation of slime, dirt, and oil residue on this P-trap. And this is the type of P-trap that our twin sink has. So today I'm going to show you how to fix it. And the first thing that we need to do is to remove this cap. Okay, be sure that you have a pan to catch the water that will surely be coming from this. So to remove this, what we need to do is just to unscrew this by twisting it counterclockwise like this, and be sure that in doing so you don't make any unnecessary forces on other joints to prevent making leaks on joints that should not be affected. This is the only part that we need to remove. Okay, hold this firmly to avoid moving the other fittings, and then twist this counterclockwise like this. I did not expect that that will give off that easy. And see that accumulation of dirt and coagulated fats and slime and everything. So be sure that everything has been totally removed. Let's open the valve one more time to purge the remaining dirt. And with that, I guess we're now ready to put it back. See? It is that simple. Remove the remaining slimes and solid fats or oil, and then to put it back, just turn it the other way around like that. You can use worn out bicycle interior like this to do the tightening, because this is made from rubber, and rubber is very good in making the grip. Okay, and now we're ready to do the test. I think it's tight enough to keep the water from flowing out. No water is coming out. So, good job. And let's see if the water is now freely flowing to the drain. There is no more problem. Let's check this out. Nice. Now the problem has been completely eliminated. Thanks for watching, guys. Cheers.